Magandang buhay! Halina't matuto kasama si Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Simulan na natin! Science Grade 3, Term 1, Week 1, Day 3. Topics: describe objects in their surroundings, home, school, or community. Ask questions about the objects around them. Learning competencies. By the end of this lesson, learners should be able to: first, describe activities in their surroundings, home, school, or community, and second, ask questions about the activities around them. When you wake up in the morning, what are the first things you see, hear, smell, touch, or taste? Share your answers. Activity number 3. What can I describe about activities around me? You will be grouped into 4. You will plan how you can act out the activity. You may use objects in the classroom as props. Be careful when acting and using the props. Your group will perform for 10 to 15 seconds in front of the class. Group task: Group 1, harvesting rice. Group 2, riding a jeepney. Group 3, buying in the market. Group 4, catching fish. Questions: 1. Do our senses help us describe objects and everyday activities in our community? Answer: yes, our senses help us know what things look like, sound like, feel like, smell like, and taste like. We use our eyes to see things like cars, houses, or trees. We use our ears to hear people talking or birds singing. We use our hands to feel if something is hot or cold. These help us describe what is around us. 2. What is observing? When we use our senses to describe things, there's another word for it. That word is observing. So when you look, listen, touch, smell, or taste something to learn more about it, you are observing. Science and observing. Observing is a basic skill in science. When we describe the world around us using our 5 senses, we are observing. Scientists use this skill to learn more about nature and things around us. 4. Science activities and experiments. In science, we do activities like experiments. Experiments help us answer questions and learn new things. We observe what happens and find out why things work the way they do. Questions. 1. Why do we do the activity? 2. What are questions you have about the activity that you don't know the answer to? 3. Was it easy or difficult to describe the activities? 4. How did science help you in describing the activities? When we identify and describe activities, we observe them. When we observe, we do science. How can science help in answering the questions you have about the activity? Science will help us answer your questions by doing science activities like experiments. Making generalizations. 1. Why is it important to use our senses in describing objects or activities around us? It is important to use our senses because they help identify and compare objects and activities around us. 2. How is science present in identifying and describing activities? When we identify and describe activities, we observe them. When we observe, we do science. 3. How can science help in answering the questions we have about activities? Science activities like experiments can help answer questions. Evaluating learning. Write 3 sentences describing an activity. Tell them that each sentence includes at least one sensory detail: sight, sound, touch, smell, or taste.